today is a quick review on the lament configuration box from Hellraiser by Trick or Treat Studios. And this ranges from $70 to $100, which is basically way overpriced. Because for $100, the panels aren't even set straight, and I'll show you. See how they're not, that's a big gap, and that ain't. And also, let's see, and also right here, there's a spill of some sort. And on this side, you can see that it's not flush with the metal. And there's some kind of paint spills here. So with the quality, this is probably $25 to $30 tops. Anywhere over that is way overpriced.